It's a beautiful Monday, guys. Welcome back to our second to the last chapter of this Accounting 1101 class. And I'm so excited for this today's lecture, no? Dalawang part yung lecture natin. So, first yung chapter 12 and also yung chapter 13, which is sobrang igsi lang ng discussion for today. So, it's a mellow lecture since we are in a public place. Ayan, so we are recording this one for the benefit of our classmates na hirap doon sa internet connection, hirap sa mga wifi, ano. So, we're trying to cater yung mga needs like that. So, wala na introduction, guys. We will jump in para matapos na agad for today. Okay, chapter 12, our voucher system. So today we're gonna talk about the voucher system. Ano yung ibig sabihin yan when we say voucher system? I-identify man natin, guys, ang mga journals na ginagamit sa voucher system. And also number 3, i-differentiate natin kung ano ang voucher register from cash purchases journal. Diba? We already discussed yung mga special journals. Also differentiate the check register from cash payments journal. Also, we would appreciate the importance of the voucher system. So sabi daw, guys, sa ibang mga small scale business, ito yung ginagamit nila usually sa mga sole proprietorship. So except sa mga corporation, well, it's a bigger setup. So usually ito ginagamit sa mga medyo maliliit lang na company. So yan. So, yung importance dito, guys, is alam ng owner. Yan. When we say sole proprietor, diba? Isa lang yung nakapangalan sa isang tao yung business na yun. So siya yung nagsasign ng mga checks. Siya din lahat ng nagkocontrol ng cash, diba? Yung mga outflow dyan. Whereas sa mga large corporation, the owners or top management have no, underscore nyo, have no direct part in the disbursements process. So may mga general manager, finance manager, so meron din sa treasury department, sila yung nag-control doon sa function na yon. So unlike sa sole prop, siya lahat, no? Multitasking owner. So in terms of dito naman sa mga large-scale corporation or business organization, may individual or kanya-kanya yan na humahawak ng voucher system. So sabi dito, the formalized system of internal control over disbursements called voucher system. Yeah. So to explain further, pag sinabing voucher system, okay, compose yan ng mga records, methods, so different procedures, and in verifying and recording liabilities and in paying, recording payments. So madaling salita, guys, every transaction may kasama siyang voucher, no? Importante dito yung tracing. Okay? Pag-verify, is it yung voucher ba yan? Tulad sa amin dito sa hotel, we have this what we call petty cash voucher. Petty cash voucher na yan, isang document yan. Tapos kapag may nagpa-reimburse, no? Or kung may nag-cash advance, so merong ginagamit ng voucher, no? For every transaction, whereas it involves payment. So, importante kasi dyan, we need to verify and we also need to record every transaction. Yan. So, yung voucher na yan, kailangang i-record sa voucher register. A check will be issued upon payment, and also a check must be recorded in the check register. So, dalawang register yan, guys, no? Initially, when we issue voucher, dapat i-record yan sa voucher register. Okay? Once nagbayad tayo dun sa voucher na yun, okay? So, part lang siya doon sa attachment when we issue checks or check payments. So, pag na-issue naman tayo ng check, lalagay siya doon sa check register. Sabi dito, voucher in general refers to any document that serves as evidence of authority to pay cash. So, yan yung kapamatuod na siya guys nga authorize ka na magbayad kita sa cash. Okay? Ang voucher ang ginagamit. Importante that authorized or signed by, in case hamon sa hotel, signed by the requesting department, ilang nga department head, example ang kitchen, ilang nga chef ang masign, then makadto sa finance, signan sa finance manager, then the general manager will approve it. No? Under the voucher system, a voucher is a special form used in recording data. So, underscore nyo guys in your handbook, okay, liability and the purpose of its payment. So, ang voucher natin guys, technically, ka-refer lang siya dito sa mga payment transactions natin. A voucher must be prepared first for every transaction that involve payment. Kung may balayran ba lang company guys, so ginagamit ang voucher. So isa dara, an important characteristic of voucher system is that a voucher must be prepared for each payment. A check may be issued, sold, or paid depending upon circumstances and credit terms. Okay. Ang importante dyan guys, you know also yung steps. No? Ano yung mga steps? Siyempre, verify mo yung documents. Compare mo doon sa kung may bayaran kita sa supplier, compare mo dito sa resibo sa supplier or invoice. No? After you verify, you compare the invoice with the receiving report. So, like for example, sa amin sa hotel, we have here, mayroon kaming receiving clerk or mayroon kaming cost control supervisor. So, sila na ang check sa mga items, sa mga meats, sa mga goods na gina-receive sa hotel. Then, after that, gina-compare nila, is it pareho siya dito sa ging order sa purchase order? Is it ang quantity pareho, ang price, specification? Is it ang ribeye is from the US ribeye or local? So dapat ang specification dapat naka-state yun, no? So you have also to verify the arithmetical accuracy of the invoice. So dapat ang presyo mo instead nga 1,000 per kilo, so dapat accurate yun siya, hindi nga daw hocus-pocus lang sa mga staff. So hindi na pwede, no, sa isa ka business. In cases of other payments such as rental, okay, ang supporting sina is syempre ang mga contract, no, kontrata na to, and supporting documents. Also, underscore nyo guys, ang voucher dapat must be numbered, preferably pre-numbered. After the preparation of vouchers, this must be verified and approved. So, discuss na natin kagina na dapat by the designated officers na ang authorize. No? Hindi na pwede nga palapat lang. No? Under the voucher system, the account vouchers payable is used instead of accounts payable. But when preparing financial statements, the accounts payable is preferable. So we don't usually use this one, guys, yung vouchers payable. But when we prepare FS, accounts payable man na gyapon ang prefer. Alright? A voucher must be recorded in the, okay, so ging review lang siya, no? So after the approval of the voucher by the authorized officers, this will be recorded in a journal. Ayan. So, another special journal, guys, that you have to memorize. Voucher register. So, parehas na siya sa purchase journal. Pero area supported by voucher mismo. No? Under the voucher system, a voucher register is used instead of purchase journal. Ano ganyan purpose, guys? Just a recap, ang ato na purchase journal. These are purchases on account. So, accounts payable siya. Okay? Yan. So, muna siya guys ang tsura sa ato niya. Special journal, which is a voucher register. So, technically, almost the same lang siya, except mayroon siya nga voucher number. Okay, mayroon man siya nga terms, mayroon siya paid date. and check numbers. Ano gin pamakal mo? Purchases. Is it goods? No? So, muna siyang tsura yan. Right? So, a check will be issued. Yan. Ang check kuno will be issued upon payment. Okay? Sa written ano ko daw ang check guys? Amo na yung tsura sang basically amo na yung tsura, di ba yung pakita ko na ni before? Yung tsura sang check. Authorized designated officer of the firm. So, you have to memorize also ano mga parties in a check. Meron kita drawer, drawee, and payee. Right? The one who signs the check, drawer, sino who signs the check? Okay, sino na siya? That's Rose Ann Bores. The drawee, the bank on which the check is drawn. So, ang drawee, si bank. So, under this example, si Allied Bank. Payee naman, the one whose order the check is drawn. So, kung sino nakasulat din, pay to the order of, so in this case, this is Kimberly Santos. Siya ang payee. A check must be recorded in the check register. So, mag-ubra ka sa check after we issue this, meron kita nga check register. Ayan. The effect of each entry in the check register is a debit to vouchers payable and credit to cash. Siyempre, mabayad siya sang vouchers payable, di ba? Credit niya siya usually. When we pay that vouchers payable, gina-debit natin ang liability. Right? So, at the end of the accounting period, the total amount in voucher register and check register will be posted to the general ledger. The balance in vouchers payable represents the unpaid. So, kung pila ko nung nabilin di guys, a vouchers payable account, muna siyang unpaid vouchers. A file of the unpaid vouchers will be replaced the subsidiary ledgers for accounts payable. So, mo naman ni guys ang tsura sa check register na to. The date, payee, check number, vouchers payable, debit, and cash and bank credit. Okay? So, just to note, form may vary. So, depende sa company kung paano sila mag-set up sa voucher. Okay? For this example, mo na yung tsura sa ating nga voucher. Alright? So, that's it. No? Pila lang ni ka page. 3 pages lang natin yung theory. Actually, 4. No? Then, try to answer this one. Exercise 12-1 down to 12-3. Okay? I think that's it, guys. I need to stop this recording. Then we will proceed to another chapter, which is the chapter 13. Okay, I have to close this file, then open the other file. Alright. So guys, I believe as scheduled, our exam for this class will be tomorrow, no? Theory, and also we have this yung sinend ko sa inyo na chapter exercise sa chapter 10, di ba? So you have to study those computation. Again, as per our department, college, no? Business and Accountancy, our coverage will be yung theory again from chapter 1, comprehensive theory, and yung computation, I believe that's chapter 10. Okay, I'll just also post doon sa ating GC group chat doon sa Facebook. Okay. Ito, how many pages lang to guys? I believe this is hanggang ano lang tayo. Okay. So, I have to stop for now.